guys, for today's video, I'm going to cook egg fried rice. I have the eggs here, carrots, garlic, and the onions, and I have the rice here. So let's start cooking, guys. Mali rice. So I need to look at this is Thai rice. One in a rice cooker. Two. So this is 4 cups, this one. So we need to wash it 2 times, like that. Wash it. 2 times wash. And after that, remove the water, like that. So just remove it. I do it 2 times already. This is 4 cups of rice. So I just add only, ako lang gi-add siya og 4.5 cups of water. So let's wipe this one. Wipe to make the water and then put here in the rice cooker. Cover it. Turn it on. Then turn it on in here. So yeah, let's wait for 15 minutes to make the rice cook. It's only plain rice. Nothing. I don't put any rice. Salt. So we have here the carrots. So you need to peel the carrots here and that. Now it's done, guys. I do it like this. More kay pa kuan man siya kanang rice man, egg fried rice man siya. So it's done now. Now the garlic. I do it like this. It's easier for me. Now I'm done the garlic. I do it like the ginana na ako siya kay para kuan kay egg fried rice raman siya. Next is the onions, the red one. I prefer the red one because this is egg, this is rice. Now finish the onions. It's red onions. Now the spring onions. So nahuman ako, finish. I need to separate the root parts because this is hard to cook, and then this one, the leaf parts. So I have here the eggs. So let's put magic syrup. Magic. So syrup means magic syrup is delicious. So let's put magic syrup, one of my favorite seasoning from Philippines. A little bit. This is granules. So mix it like that. Check the rice. It's ready now. Look at it's plain rice. So it's ready now. All the ingredients, eggs. I just put 10 eggs. It depends of you how many eggs you want. I need to cook the eggs first. Put an oil. Let's put the eggs in here. Inuuna ko yung eggs kasi para okay na siya. Do it like this, like that. So it's finished now. So let's start cooking the rice now. I just add only a little bit of oil. Now the garlic. That's it. Now the onions. The root parts of the spring onions. I do it small because I hungry. The rice. Here. So I put everything rice. It's 4 cups rice. So mix this one until, and you can put the seasoning powder. You can put any seasoning powder. So it depends on you what's your favorite seasoning powder. Mix this one. So just put the carrots. Then mix this one. So lagyan natin ng kunting soy sauce. Kunti lang. Not much. Then mix it. Now let's lagyan natin ng eggs. Yeah. Mix it. I-mix natin. Now let's add the spring onions. Now it's ready, guys. So let's taste it. So tikman natin, guys. Let's taste. tikman natin. Egg fried rice with garlic, onions, spring onions, and carrots. And of course the eggs. The main ingredient is the eggs and the rice. So let's taste. Let's eat, guys. Let's taste it. Delicious. Wow. And the carrots is so soft. It's good, this one, with chicken or any meat you want. With delicious chicken, meat. My camera is not cooperating me. Really delicious. 10 out of 10. I'm sorry guys if my English is not really because I'm not fluent in English. I am Bisaya and Cebuano. Super delicious. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm not a chef cook, but I try my best to cook at home cooking. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel, guys. So yeah, so this one is too much, so I'll put this one in the freezer. Put this one in the plastic box. Put this one like separate, then yeah, put this one in the freezer. So thank you so much. So it's a beautiful day here in the UK, guys. So really beautiful day. The time now is morning. Yeah, time is morning. So yeah, then later on I will cook another recipe, which is called I have here the green jackfruit. I will cook this one later on, and with the fresh gata. For those fresh gata, and I have the ingredients, also the red pepper, yeah, and also the spring onions. It's of course our spring onions is always there when I'm cooking. Spring onions, garlic, onions, yeah, everything is there. So of course, so thank you. See you again next time for my next video, guys. So by the way, I am from the Philippines. I am Cebuano. I speak Cebuano. It's called Visaya language. So I'm not Tagalog. So I'm not fluent in English, guys. So I'm trying my best to speak in English so that some of the people don't understand. Yeah, don't understand my Cebuano. So yeah, thank you. Bye bye and have a nice day, everyone.